Today we have a dirty work truck that will be receiving our full detail. As always, while we work, we have fun. Our full detail includes all interior cracks and crevices to get cleaned and conditioned to ensure a new car feel. This vehicle was in such a bad condition that it took us longer than usual to finish the job, but we are still able to finish within a matter of hours. Having a team makes such a big difference. Whenever we are having fun together, while we are working, it makes our day go by fast. Enjoy the results. Like and follow for more.